Welcome, today in front of me HTC Desire 628 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and notification section. Here as can you see we got the notification sound section, just tap there, and now as can you see we got here set it this boolean sound. Just here you can switch it to the silent one or just to use one from this. I'll make it more. And as can you see here we get a lot of notification sound. You can just change and select one from these. For example, I'll go with the violet now. Just tap to OK to confirm the changes, and here as can you see we got a one new notification sound, the violet one. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.